Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Step Campus. In this video, we are going to see a sign up form automation. So the purpose of making this video is in the previous May cycle, they have asked such type of a similar type of example. Okay, so they have given one sign up form where we have to pass the email, password, and there is one captcha. Okay, so we have to give the captcha. That is a dynamic captcha first of all. So we have to give this dynamic captcha value that will be a mathematical operations. Okay, and then the result whatever we are going to get from this captcha we have to paste into this field and then click on the sign up button. So similar type of scenario they have asked in the previous May cycle. Okay, so that's why I'm making this video to let you know like how to handle such type of scenarios. Okay, so this is a dynamic captcha. If you see here, I will refresh this one. So this time you will get some different captcha. Okay, if I refresh it again, so different type of captcha you will get. So every time the captcha will be different. You have to handle this scenario. The result of this captcha you have to paste into this answer field and then you have to click on the sign up button. Okay, so let's get started guys. So what I had did, I just created one package and one class I have created where I have given this web driver equals driver invoking the driver, and this is the implicit weight I have used here, and this is the driver.get to get into the URL. So these three steps you already know. Okay, till now I have just pasted this one so that it will save us save our time. Now let's see. Now we have to inspect this particular email ID, password, and this captcha. Okay, let's see how to do. So first let's get into this field. So if you see here, so we have input tag is there and type is email there. So I'll just copy this one. I will write the XPath. So let's input, that is tag name at the rate. Okay, attribute equals to value. So value is email. Okay, okay, not class. It will be type. Okay, it will be type. So copy it. Just write driver dot find element. Okay, by dot XPath, and inside this one we have to pass the XPath value. Okay, and we have to pass some values, so we will use send keys method, and inside the send keys we have to pass our actual email address that is placed here. Okay, so just copy this email address from here. Okay, and pass into this send keys. Okay, so similar steps we have to write for the password as well. That's why I'm copying the first one, and now we have to inspect the password one. So password also we have a type, so I just copy the password value, I will paste here. Okay, so now you can see this is highlighted the password field. So you know, like this is the very simple thing, you know, you already know. Okay, how to write the XPath for particular field. Okay, so I'm not going to give dive into the much detail for this one. Okay, captcha one I will tell you. Okay, and the password we have to use this one, step campus at the rate 123. So this is a dummy one only. Okay, so you can use any password from your choice, but for sign up it will work, but for login you have to give this two email ID and password only. Okay, so I hope this is clear till now. I have to capture the captcha. Okay, I have to capture the captcha. So for capturing the captcha we have this field as well, not this one, yeah, this one, label. And if we open the label we will get the text. Okay, so label is our tag name and class is our attribute. So this is our class, so I don't want to write the whole class name, so I will take a subclass. Okay, so a small part of class, small text of a class. Okay, slash label. So if we don't want to use the full class and if you want to use the particular subclass or certain length of class, so we have to use keyword as contains. Contains. Okay, not into this bracket, we have to open the big bracket first. Okay, contains. Okay, now after contains, okay, we have to give small bracket. Okay, at the rate class comma, and inside the single quotes we have to give this XPath which we have already found it, and this one. Okay, so now you can see it is highlighting the three area. Okay, it is highlighting the three area, so we have to take the third index. So we will wrap up all this into the smaller bracket. okay, smaller bracket, and at the end we have to give our index. Okay, so index we will give in this square bracket, and our index value will be 3. Okay, so now you can see this highlighted this particular captcha. Okay, I will clicking entering again, so now you can see, right? So I hope this is fine. I know you already know this one, right? Many of you already know like how to get a XPath based on the index, so that is not a big deal. But yeah, I just giving you a quick info like how to use the contents and all. Okay, so it will be XPath. Okay, this one. And now like here we don't need to give any send keys because we want this text, so we have to use dot get text. Okay, okay, and this text we will store in some variable. The variable name will be text. Now I will use sysout. Okay, and text will be present there. Okay, now save it, run it. Let's see how what the output we are getting. Okay, okay, so now you can see it opened this browser for us, and sorry, browser this URL for us, given this username, given this password, and hopefully captured this captcha as well. Let's see. Yeah, you can see here it's already captured this one. So this is a string. Okay, this is a string. Okay, now see how what approach I am going to. Okay, not in terminal, in the console we have to see. Let's see what approach we have to follow to get the particular value. Okay, so this is a string. Okay, but these two, this mathematical operation sign and this second value, that is 6, this will be at fixed position every time. The value will be changing, but the position will be fixed. Okay, agree or not? Yeah. So how to capture this part? Okay, so let's first find at what position this element, this star or any operation, and this second value is present. So 0, 1, 2, 3 space also we have to count, that is space is 5, I is 6, S is 7, then space is 8. Okay, 0, still start with from 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At 8 position is 2, 9th position is again space, at 10th position is this mathematical operation, 11 is space, and at 12th position is our second value. So let me do the same thing here so that you can see this part very clear. Okay, so I am copying this text. Okay, let's see what I am saying. If you see here, so 0, 1, 2, 3, space is 4, I is 5, 6, फिर space is 7, and 2 is 8th position, space is 9th position, and star is at 10th position. Okay, space is in 11th, and 6th is at 12th position. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. 8th position, 10th position, and 12th position. So we have to get these positions only. Okay, so if we want to get this is a string, right? This is a string. The whatever value we are getting, we are storing in a string, so this is a string. But if you want to get the index wise value, so we have to convert this into a array. So this is a string, so we have to convert into a string type of array, that is character array. Okay, we have to go with the character array. Okay, so how to initialize the character array? So we have to give char square bracket like this way. We will give text hyphen captcha, anything you can give, equals to. So this is our we can say this is the variable of the character array, and this is our string. So text dot to char array. So we are converting this particular string into the character array. Okay, now we can use our index 1 to find this value. Okay, so now int num1. Okay, so first let's see. No, I'm not converting into the we can say integer one. Okay, so this value, okay, as th position. So th position we have this 2, but this 2 is in character array. So this is a character. Okay, but if we want to make it numeric, so we have to do something to make it numeric. Okay, because we can do mathematical operation onto the numeric only, right? String we don't need to do anything. We have to convert this character into a numeric. So to convert this one into the numeric, what we have to do, we have to minus the value what we are getting here with 0. Okay, why 0? I will let you know. Let's see. So in Java or any language, okay, 0 ASCII value is 48. Okay, okay, not 0 character. Okay, 0 character ASCII value is 48. Okay, see, ASCII value is 48. Now this is 48, this is 48. 48 minus if I give 0 array, 0 character, sorry, 0 character, if I give this 0 character, so 48 minus 48, what will the result we will get? We will get 0. So this 0 is now integer. So this is a character, and we have converted this character into a integer by subtracting this value. Let's see another one. Let's see another one to make you more clear. Okay, so this like video will be lengthy, but you have to get the concept. Okay, suppose you are getting one character here. How to convert this one character into a number? Okay, so ASCII value of this one, ASCII value is 49, because 48 is 0 character, then one character will be 49. Okay, agree? Now what I have to do, I have to give the same thing. So this is the one character, this is the one character means 49. Okay, minus, if I minus 0 character, if I minus 0 character from this one, okay, if I this minus 0 character for this one, so I will get the value as 1. Okay, because 0 character is 48, 49 minus 48 equals to 1. So I will get string 1 to, sorry, character 1 to integer 1. Okay, so that's why I am doing the same thing. So here at 8th position we are getting 2. Okay, so the 2 value is 50, and 50 minus 48, so the value will be 2. Okay, so I hope this is clear. And because we are getting this as a numeric, so I will store into a numeric value. So int, I will give n1. Okay, same I will do with the second number. Okay, num2, but this num will be present not at 8th position, it will present at 12th position. Okay, 8 space is 9, 10, then again space is 11, then 6 is at 12th position. Okay, so num1 and num2 we have. Okay, num1 and num2 we have. Now we have to get the character of this one also. Okay, so because this is not a integer value, so we will keep in a character only. So char operati operation, we are storing into the operation variable. Okay, this same thing, text captcha of 10, and here we are not subtracting anything because this is the character. Okay, the star is a character only, so we will analyze the character value and then we will do our mathematical operation. Okay, now the mathematical operation is here, first number is here, second number is here. Okay, and this is not like hard coded. Okay, this is a any value it will accept. Okay, any single value it will accept. Now we will take one variable, that is result, and we will store 0 at that position. Okay, because we have to do the mathematical operation and then store, we will the answer of that mathematical operation we will store into this result variable. Okay, now if, okay, if operation equals to, we are checking if operation equals to plus. Okay, if it is a plus, then what we have to do, we have to do result plus equals to num1 plus num2. Okay, getting me? If operation, not operation, yeah. not in double quotes. Okay, it's a single character now, so we have to kept in a single okay. Now this is fine. If operation equals to plus, then what we have to do, we have to do the summation. Copy this one, paste 4 times, 2 3 4 times. Okay, so first is plus, then second will be minus, so num1 minus num2. Okay, then multiplication, num1 into num2, num1 into num2, and then division, that is num1 divided by num2. And you no need to worry, every time the num1 value will be greater 1. Okay, they give the captcha in such manner, the first digit, okay, like you can see 4 plus 9. Okay, so yeah, that will be handled, no worries, that will be also handled. Okay, yeah. Now what we have to do, we have to do one thing. So we have to go to this position. Okay, we have to go to this position, we have to find this value. Okay, so you can see here, this is the answer field. Okay, and we have placeholder, either you can go with this placeholder, or you can I will go with this one, name equals to captcha. So I will copy this captcha, slash input at the rate name equals to captcha. Okay, so I will get this captcha value. So driver dot find element, okay, by dot x path, and inside this one we have to give this value. Okay, and then here we have to send this one. Okay, inside this one we have to give send keys, we have to pass result. Okay, what result we have obtained from the previous calculation, we are sending this one. Okay, so now if you see here, so we are directly passing integer, because in this result we have integer value, right? So this send keys accept the string value, so we can't directly pass this integer value. So for this one, like, we have to use string dot value of. Okay, you can see string dot value of. Okay, and then inside this one we have to pass result. Okay, so we are converting this integer into this result, like this string dot value of will do convert this integer value, okay, that we have stored here, into the pass the string value of this one. Like, we are not doing the typecasting. Okay, not implicitly we are doing the typecasting, but it will pass whatever value we will get here, it will just convert that value to the string and passing into this field. Okay, just normally. Okay, now the last option, what we have to do, we have to click on this sign up button. Okay, click on this sign up button. So this is the sign up button, I believe. Yes, we have this one. So we will go with the text one, button text equals to sign up. Okay, so just write this value, driver dot find element by dot x path. Okay, and inside this one we have to pass this value, this locator, and then we have to click on this button. So dot click. Okay. So I hope this is clear, like what we have done to capture the captcha. Okay, so let's try to run this one, and we'll see like if any error may be encountered. Let's see. So it will open a browser for us, it will give username, password, captcha, and then you can see it's successfully signed up. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Okay, so how we have done this one. So I hope this is clear to you all. So let's try. Okay, okay, let's try from your end. And this divide, why I didn't handle this one now. So they won't give this 0.0 value. Okay, always they will give some whole number. That's why you no need to worry about this part. Okay, so just mostly focus on this plus, minus and multiplication part, because they won't give the captcha in that manner. Okay, 0.07, 0.0. So float number they won't give. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that way only you will get from this one. Okay, so I hope this is okay. So just let me know if you find any difficulty on writing this script. Okay, and one more thing, like before closing this video, I would like to give you a small demo. So this is the Step Campus website that I have launched. Okay, so if you click on this start practicing, so you will get some number of UI elements over there. Okay, so you can try. Okay, so all the elements whatever you will present in the different websites. So I just uh, cumulative all this particular UI components and embedded into the single video, or we can say single we can say in this singular website. Okay, in the single website. In this tutorial, so you can go and find this uh, playlist. Okay, here is a project also. Okay, where you can explore some project, and in the contact section also there is some we can say send message like this way, so that you can also try to replicate this one. Okay, in your Selenium script. So I hope this is clear to you all guys. Okay, we'll meet you in the next section. Thank you. Bye bye.